Another delivery. Of course, this part of the neighborhood is all banks and lawyers. So, follow me. It's one of our regular customers. Been expecting us. Now we can't do. Need to put on the mask. Need to put on the mask.
Who's this lady? No,
this
I
beautiful
can't.
lady.
No.
Oh, you don't want to see this beautiful lady?
I'm modeling contract. I actually was talking.
Yeah.
And went for the phone because I said I expect the call. But I never see no missed call and no see 5 missed calls.
Oh dear, oh dear, oh
I want to
dear.
get my ID.
Yeah man, that is all, that is all. Alright, so I'm gonna just make a copy of it. You don't have your phone with you, right? Okay, cool. So, you do it. Cool. So, okay, like you can't wait for bus this one here.
No man, I just stick right now.
Staples are very important to the business, of course, but there's a lot of people. Good afternoon, how are you doing? You good? Documents. Okay, industrialized stapler. So you like the service with us?
Alright man, cool.
You're not too quick.
Don't make a kind of joke. Yeah, look here, I'm not worried about some of the people who want to do something right.
Right. Yeah.
Excuse me?
Alright, thanks to the ID. Pleasure doing business with you. Have a good one, alright? Yeah man, take care. Yeah, man.